Oftentimes we get customers trying to power their RV while at home. Since there won't be an RV power pedestal like there would be at a park, the options for outlets are pretty limited, unless you happen to have a 1450 installed for your garage for EV charging. So, most people in this situation are limited to regular household outlets. This of course severely limits what you can power in your RV. But don't get discouraged. You may have another solution right in your own home. With warm weather, it can be uncomfortable to be in an RV without the AC blowing. AC units tend to use a lot of power even when in an RV. If you're stuck with a regular household outlet for your 30 amp RV, chances are you'll only be able to power the AC and nothing else. Or you won't be able to power the AC at all, just from the household outlet. This is not ideal. But don't worry, there's one other outlet option that can often go overlooked: your 4-prong dryer outlet. If you have a newer electric clothes dryer, chances are you might have a NEMA 1430 outlet for your dryer. This outlet can be used to safely power your 30 amp RV with the right adapter, like RV1430TT-018. At first glance, you may be thinking to yourself, wait, isn't that outlet wired for 240 volts? Won't that hurt my RV? That's a good observation and a question we get all the time. NEMA 1430 4-prong dryer outlets are actually rated as 120/240 volts, meaning it can operate at both 120 and 240 volts. Our adapter is also wired to use only one hot instead of two, making the connection 120 volts only, matching your 30 amp RV. There's no possible way for 240 volts to pass through this adapter. We hope this video was helpful in finding alternative solutions for powering your RV at home. If you have any questions related to this topic, please leave a comment below or get in touch with us. Please be sure to give us a like and subscribe if you found this helpful and are interested in similar topics. At AC Works, we have many different power solutions available. Thanks for watching.